Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Let's take a look here at XRP, see what's going on. This is a request from one of my community members here. Deeply appreciate that. What is it? House of Sand. Thank you so much. And again, apologies for kind of being delayed on some of these analysis here. There's been quite a lot of. It's been a weird market. Let's just put it that way. And I'm getting a ton of requests too through my my YouTube channel. So I just like to cover it all if I can. But at this point, XRP. Since the last time we looked at it, we bottomed out at about 190. Keep in mind, this support level here at roughly 197 is based on previous all-time highs. So it makes sense the price action retested its local high, or sorry, previous all-time high as a local low. It's really common for that to happen. So now that that's occurred, the price really hasn't looked back ever since after breaking free here from a bullish type of rectangle pattern. And with a nice little retest here of our 0.618 fib level here based on that golden pocket. So a lot of normal good things are occurring here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the ascending trend here, of course, kind of just confirm a few factors and maybe even look at some liquidation levels too. I don't think there's a lot to note on liquidation, more so the delta is what we're going to want to look at. But let's go ahead and quickly note this here first. So on the left-hand side, I got the last 12 hours of liquidation. We can kind of see 650 upwards of, 265 upwards of 275 is that upper liquidation channel there. Basically everything that's accumulated since the price action pulled back from 273. So I think there's a decent chance we see that retest. A lot of times when you see patterns like this emerge, the price action will work itself into a type of triangle, or more importantly, like a type of pennant pattern, and inevitably break to the upside, okay? Because it got too much buying pressure, not enough selling pressure. It'll continue higher after the bears have given up. That's basically what we're seeing. If we look at here down below as well for the liquidation delta, we can see price action is doing pretty well here in the overall sense of more longs being in the market versus shorts. So we got more people taking longs on XRP than we do have having shorts. So that does imply that these shorts are potentially going to have a bad day here soon. Okay. So again, just some quick back-end data there. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, work our way down, and recognize that we are still above the 20-day SMA. In a lot of ways, that's running concurrent with the ascending trend line that we're in right now. So it's a very good sign. Generally speaking, you don't short into that until we lose that level. And even if you do lose that level, you don't short into it either. It's just, generally speaking, at this point, a short would be very foolhardy. Doesn't make any sense. If we take a look here at the RSI, we're getting closer to 70 on the RSI, potential resistance level, but also more importantly, something that we could see get broken here soon. And once that breaks, as you can see here previously, the price action will spend a long time above, when it spends a lot of time above the RSI at 70, you'll see great things happen on the charts. Okay, so we could even see another breakout here for XRP. That's absolutely a potential reality. Take a look here at Stochastic, we can see it swinging upwards. It's roughly our second swing to the upside, which is good. MACD is trying to follow here, soon to potentially converge. So a lot of reasons why we're in pretty good shape here. We do take a look at TD sequential. We've been moving for about 5 days straight in the same direction. So we're not overextended by any stretch at this point. 4-hour time frame, over the important 20 and 50-day SMA, of course. Those are important trend setters for myself. We do take a look here, of course, as well at the MACD, or more importantly, Stochastic. It is diverging, of course, but it's just the first time it's pulled back. I don't really take a lot of weight into that, or I don't use that as a very strong indicator. It's usually the second stochastic swing that can carry more weight. So with that being the case and us not being overextended completely, we're in pretty good shape here to see the price continue higher. Same thing with MACD as well. It's not diverging whatsoever, still converging. Very, very good signs. And future reference too, folks, I'll post a playout chart on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord here soon. It looks a little something like this if you're not familiar. And I just kind of post, quick little summaries of what I think the coin's going to do next in that format there, the chart format. So just know that's going to be there, and I'll update that accordingly. So what you see here may be adjusted a little bit, but I'm just trying to make sure we get through this without spending too much time, even though it just took a little while to explain that. I just want to make sure you understand that I do update these regularly. So based on the overall fib levels here, we can see we're at this 0.618 fib level, kind of retesting that. As you can see, the price action tried multiple times to break, has since come back down to retest as a new low off that 256 range, roughly that 0.65 fib, and then likely to continue higher. It's definitely a good sign, really. I mean, everything here we're seeing right now is confirming that we should experience the price action to go higher. Okay? So awesome stuff here. Stochastic RSI swinging up, or correction, sorry. The conversion line's over the baseline. Lagging spans free and clear. We're above the cloud. There's a lot of reasons here as to why you should not short this coin, and why taking a long position makes a lot more sense. Now, if you're going to consider a long, obviously you got to recognize there's going to be some resistances in play. Our local high here, that 271, what we just noticed, is definitely an area of potential resistance. It could also be the beginning of a cup and handle pattern too. While cup and handles are never clean, this is a very, very ugly, crude illustration. Generally speaking, you'll see the price action work itself into a channel, descending channel, and then break out after it retests its local high. Okay, so we could see that occurring. Either way you look at it, the fact of the matter is here, I think 271, 272 seems like a practical next step. And then secondary to that, of course, 290 would be furthermore, if the price were to break through, we'll see that as a retest there of that local, basically the all-time high. Okay, so mostly positive stuff here for this coin. I definitely don't recommend shorting. If you're going to take a long, just watch it closely. Make sure this coin can pull back quite aggressively when we hit certain levels. But with Bitcoin maintaining that 107 to 108K range, I think XRP is going to continue doing well. So that's kind of where we're at there. All good stuff. Congrats on those who are in profits on their long positions here with XRP. We do day trade XRP in our community often, and with pretty good results too. Of course, you can check that out on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. I post that monthly, but for the most part here, I think we're looking pretty solid here, and I don't recommend shorting this coin at this point. Join us over at Bitunix, folks. Link down below. No KYC or VPN required. You can trade XRP, of course, on this exchange. $12,000 deposit bonus, and of course, just phenomenal exchange. We have deposit bonuses and generally a lot of really good trading opportunities too. Next month, we're having another trading competition. Last month, we had a 60K prize pool. It's pretty good stuff. All right, anyways, check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't be a stranger. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.